Domestic cats belong to the Felidae family, which had a common ancestor around 10 to 15 million years ago. The evolutionary radiation of the Felidae began in Asia during the Miocene, approximately 838 to 1445 million years ago. Mitochondrial DNA analysis indicates that the radiation of all Felidae species occurred between 6.46 to 16.76 million years ago. The genus Felis, to which domestic cats belong, diverged genetically from other Felidae around 6 to 7 million years ago. Phylogenetic research shows that wild members of the genus Felis evolved through sympatric or parapatric speciation, while domestic cats evolved through artificial selection.
Huh?